Alright, for any of you who happen to stumble upon this video, I want to thank you for being here and thank you for watching. I just want to share a super fun adventure I had just this last month or so of my opportunity to go fly a world famous helicopter with an amazing person and crew. It's Lee Coates. Go and follow her on YouTube and Instagram. But basically at 10 p.m. at night, she had posted something on Instagram saying, I have an opportunity if you want to fly this candy cane helicopter. Meet me in Arizona at noon the following morning, and you can fly it for about 4 hours to California. So it was super spur of the moment, but I took her up on it. She was so generous, and she didn't charge me for this. It was my first ever turbine aircraft. It was just an incredible experience. So I want you guys to check it out. Let me know what you think about the video. It's my first time kind of editing and putting myself out there. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm out of gas. Finally made it to Arizona, and Lee was so welcoming and just a warm person. She immediately invited me in and introduced me to the crew, Dr. D and Magic Mike, who were just also amazing people. She also ran me through the flight plan, so we pretty much just flew straight west, stayed really low level, kind of under all the controlled airspace, made it out to Dana Point there on the coast, and then kind of just straight shot into Torrance. I also got to meet Greg, who came along for the ride. Greg is also responsible for the majority of the footage you're seeing. So Greg, I just want to say thank you so much. Greg is flying out of Quantum Helicopters right now. He's working on his instrument rating, and he also volunteered to do all of our navigating.
So how did we end up here today?
Dude, it was insane. So I saw Lee, she posted something on Instagram, and then I pretty much canceled all my plans for tomorrow and last minute booked a flight. And I honestly have never been to Arizona. I've never flown a turbine aircraft. It's insane, but here we are.
Yeah, same story with me, but luckily I'm like only 5 minutes away. But everybody knows the famous candy cane helicopter, so here we are today.
So me, Magic Mike, and Greg all hopped in the candy cane, and then Lee and Douglas were in the R-44. We're flying it back to the Robinson factory for the overhaul. they were so generous with how much time they actually gave me flying the aircraft. Mike let me start it up, pull into a hover, take off. Pretty much everything I wanted to do.
Go ahead. Start it up, Sky Pilot. Watch this one, just to make sure. Because if it does go over, they're going to say, hey, what did it go to? It records everything, but I want to know.
Yeah.
And if I see it starting to go, I'm going to turn that off.
You're looking at the NG?
No, look, NGT. Major gas temperature.
To avoid flying in what Mike likes to call grandpa mode, I did give him the controls back for approaches. Once we arrived at Robinson, Mike and Douglas went over to take some parts off the R44 before they sent it into overhaul. And then me, Lee, and Greg just talked with James for a little while, kind of walked around, took some really fun pictures with the crew. Guys, I seriously had the best day ever. It was so much fun. I just want to thank Lee, Mike, Greg, and Douglas again for making this seriously the best day of the year for me and for teaching me so much. It was such a good learning opportunity. I just feel so blessed, and I can't believe I get to say that my first turbine helicopter was the Candy Cane. That's pretty awesome.